How to fix Messenger note not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Messenger note not showing. First thing first, let's go ahead and make sure that our application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and you'll see a search bar icon. Tap it, then type in Messenger, then enter. Now under Messenger, if you see update, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, leave this as it is and head over to your settings. At this section, scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto apps and at this page, you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Here tap on search bar icon, then type in Messenger. Tap on the Messenger button, tap on force stop, then OK. Likewise, tap on storage, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data. Before deleting your data, read all these, then tap delete. Now for the next step, come back onto app info page, tap on set as default and make sure that you have untoggled this button. Now once you do all this, restart your device, get logged into your account and this shall work. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall Messenger. Go ahead and uninstall your Messenger application and you can easily download it from your Play Store. Once done, get logged into your account and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.